you to ride. I want you to ride. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, what's good in honey? I'm OfficialNickole. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I do my individual lashes. Excuse the way I look. I'm really just chilling right now. Got on this big old sweater. I got my hair in a braid out, and right now I'm stretching it because I want more length. My hair is in a sew-in. This is my real hair, and then I have to leave out. That's not what y'all here for. Anyway, today is Tuesday. Tomorrow I'll go back to school. First day of school, so I just want to get myself together. I want to put on some lashes. So I figured might as well record it. So I'm gonna tell y'all what y'all need from Forever 21. I know I'm gonna get my lashes from the beauty supply store, but it's just like, why not? Then you're gonna need some scissors, preferably hair scissors because they're smaller. And with these, you might cut something that you want, I guess. I don't know. Eyelash glue. I did not use eyelash glue. I use regular hair glue. It does not matter for me because it lasted with this. Nothing happened to my eye. My eyelashes did not rip out. If you don't feel comfortable with using this, go ahead and get the Ardell Lash glue or whatever other company sells them, I guess. Then at the end, you're going to want to curl your lashes if you choose to do so. I do. I normally do. And this is optional, mascara at the end. I don't use mascara, but I figure some of you might want to, and you definitely can. I just don't use mascara because I just don't think it's necessary. Like, it's already there. So yeah, you're gonna get like something to like put the glue on. Oh, and y'all need tweezers. It doesn't matter what type of tweezers you use. You're gonna need something to put the glue on, so I'm just going to use what the lashes came in. Oh, and y'all don't need a lot of glue at all, like at all. Okay, so the next step you're going to do is you're going to get the lashes from out of the thing. By the way, these are synthetic, but I don't think it matters if it's human or synthetic. It's still gonna get the job done. Okay, so I'm sure you guys won't have to do this because you'll probably get your lashes elsewhere. But Forever 21 put their lashes on like this invisible band, I guess, to make it seamless. So that means I can, you see that big old space? I basically just pulled the lashes together to create a cluster. You're going to want to create a cluster. So then you're going to cut off what you don't want or need. I'm putting the lashes under my eye. So now I'm going to just take the tweezers and pick up the cluster. I'm going to flick my wrist towards me. I'm going to dab just the band part on the glue. And I'm going to put it under my eye on my lash line. Okay, so I'm just going to keep doing that. My whole eye. I'll probably show y'all my whole entire eye. I'm not sure. But yeah, and if they're like, if your lashes are separated, the fake lashes are separated from your real lashes, it's okay because that's where the eyelash curler steps in. So as you're doing it, you're kind of worried about that. Don't worry too much about it. Y'all, this is super hard. I'm gonna have to come back when I'm done because this hard to do on camera. like, because I'm so close to it, I can't really tell what I'm doing because it's not that clear. But really, you just keep, you keep repeating the same thing. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. You don't feel nothing on your lashes. It's super lightweight. Well, at least you shouldn't. If you do, probably doing it wrong. But you shouldn't feel nothing. So yeah, I'm gonna come back when I'm done and show y'all the final look. Hey y'all, I'm back. Okay, so I did one eye. This is how it's looking. You feel me? So now I'm about to go do the other eye. I left that nigga on red cause I felt like it. I do. What I like I do, I do. I do. What I like I do, I do. So I finished, y'all. This one don't look as good as this one in my opinion. I mean, like under the eye don't, because I'm a righty and I had to, okay, but yeah, I had to do it with my left hand. So, but yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. It's real simple. You don't feel nothing. If you feel something, then like I said, you're doing it wrong. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I don't look crusty. Next time y'all see me, I'm gonna be shut popping, period. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time, I guess.